Hey, good morning. Nick here, NIC over at Johnson RV Medford, Oregon location. Want to do a quick walkthrough video for you of the beautiful 2020 Leisure Travel Unity 24 TB. This is with stock number 24679, George Bravo Charlie. It's on the Sprinter chassis, comes in around 25 feet in length, bumper to bumper. Leisure Travels are a very high quality Canadian build. They do a phenomenal job inside and out. They give you a nice full body paint, a great amount of exterior storage on the driver and passenger side. This particular Unity is equipped with the Alcoa upgraded wheels. It's got the LP generator, large carefree awning with the LED strip. So you make your way inside. All the upholstery in this 2020 model is in pristine condition. It appears to be on the newer updated chassis with the larger backup camera. Has all the safety controls, heated seats with adaptive cruise control. You've got the white front forward facing cabinets all the way around with the LED lights. The nice rear twin bed model is a very usable floor plan. Large shower on the left, bathroom on the right. Microwaves in a great location versus being down by the knees. Then you have the large Dometic fridge freezer. You have the stabilizer, inverter, and very low hours on the generator. If you have any questions about this one, give someone on the team a call or any others that you might be currently checking out. Hope this video was helpful and have a great day.